Oh. Hey, good morning, everybody. It's July 26th. Yeah.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
I'm off. Still sick. Heading into work, though. Just very tired and feeling it today. So, we're going to continue the kids' swim lessons today. And we're going to go onwards and forward. I don't know what I was going to say. Follow on. It's going to be another short vlog, I promise. Either way, man, I am not feeling it. Let's get to work. Alright, I'm at work, so time to get to work. Yeah, lunchtime. Mama made me some salpicón, which is a Salvadorian meat with radish and mint. Seriously, one of my favorites. Thanks, Mom. Alright guys, so I didn't even film when I was driving home, but I was late. Had to get back here, got here, changed, went to the swim. Got to swim with Em today, and it was amazing. So the kids are going to take a shower. I'm going to cook. And that's pretty... Whoa. Thing tried to trip me. I think that's going to end the vlog today. Like I said, these are short. So with that, you've been awesome. Don't ever change. Have a good night.